Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most detailed insights into the world of heavy machinery, construction equipment, and engineering marvels. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic and powerful pieces of equipment in the construction and mining industries, the Caterpillar D9 bulldozer. Known for its durability, strength, and reliability, the D9 is a workhorse that has been a cornerstone of large-scale earth-moving projects for decades. Let's dive into what makes the Caterpillar D9 such an impressive machine. The Caterpillar D9 is a large track-type tractor designed for heavy-duty tasks. Its robust design allows it to excel in challenging environments, from large-scale construction sites to remote mining operations. One of the key highlights of the D9 is its sheer power, thanks to a high-performance engine that delivers exceptional output. The latest models feature a CAT C18 engine, providing up to 436 horsepower, ensuring the D9 can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. This engine is also designed to meet stringent emissions standards, making the D9 a more environmentally friendly choice without compromising on performance. The D9's design is focused on durability and efficiency. Its tracks are built to withstand extreme conditions, providing excellent traction on soft, rocky, or uneven terrain. The undercarriage is reinforced to minimize wear and tear, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Caterpillar has also incorporated advanced cooling systems to ensure optimal performance even in harsh climates. Whether pushing massive amounts of soil or clearing debris, the D9 is engineered to get the job done efficiently and reliably. One of the standout features of the Caterpillar D9 is its versatility. The bulldozer comes with a range of blade options, including straight blades, universal blades, and semi-universal blades, each designed for specific tasks. Operators can choose the right configuration based on their project requirements, ensuring maximum productivity. The D9 is also compatible with a variety of ripper attachments, making it ideal for breaking through tough materials like rock and compacted soil. Inside the cab, Caterpillar prioritizes operator comfort and safety. The D9 features an ergonomic design with adjustable seats, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility. The cab is equipped with advanced noise and vibration reduction technology, creating a more comfortable working environment for operators during long shifts. Additionally, the bulldozer includes state-of-the-art monitoring systems that provide real-time data on performance, fuel efficiency, and maintenance needs, allowing operators to make informed decisions on the job site. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the Caterpillar D9's capabilities. Modern models come equipped with CAD-grade control, a GPS-based system that automates blade movements for precise grading. This reduces operator fatigue and improves accuracy, saving time and resources. Caterpillar also offers remote control and semi-autonomous options for the D9, enabling safe operation in hazardous environments. These advancements make the D9 not only powerful but also highly efficient and adaptable to a wide range of tasks. In conclusion, the Caterpillar D9 bulldozer is a testament to engineering excellence and innovation. Its combination of power, durability, and advanced technology has made it a trusted choice for industries worldwide. Whether you're working on a large-scale construction project or tackling challenging terrain, the D9 is built to deliver outstanding results every time. Thank you for joining us as we explored the incredible Caterpillar D9. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth content on heavy machinery and industrial equipment. Let us know your thoughts and experiences with the D9 in the comments below.